Hi everyone! I haven't been posting for a while. Unfortunately, my grandmother passed away recently, and when that happened, it honestly felt like the ground disappeared under my feet. I wasn't able to function, I wasn't able to create, I wasn't able to show up in the way I normally do. So in today's video, I'm going to be a little bit different than usually. Usually I talk about strategy, tax software, how to build your own tax preparation business. But today I want to talk about something deeper. Having your own business, especially in a stable profession like tax preparation, it's not only about making more money. It's not only about working from anywhere. It's not only about traveling and buying things. It's about freedom in a moment that truly matters. Freedom to pause when life hits you unexpectedly. Freedom to take time to process the grief. Freedom to support your family. Freedom to say goodbye properly. That was the biggest lesson I learned during my grandmother passing. I realized that because I work for myself, I didn't need to ask anybody for permission to take time off. I didn't need to explain myself while I was in a shock. I didn't need to, pretend that everything was okay when people ask, how are you? And I realized something else. I have the most incredible support system, you. My students, my YouTube community, my clients, those of you who specifically purchased my courses especially and didn't immediately ask me for a refund when I had to delay the content. Those of you who sent me kind messages that speaks loudly that I can even say. They asked me about when they found out about my grandmother. Those words meant more than I can ever describe. Truly, thank you so much. And I also want to congratulate you. It's a tax season. I want to wish you the best tax season ever. You chose the best profession that gives you the leverage, that gives you the skills, that gives you stability. And I wish you a growth, confidence, and so much progress this tax season. I feel like a new person every tax season. Now, I want to talk about my grandmother. She had a very hard life, but she was one of the strongest women I ever known. She never complained, not even once, even when the life gave you every reason to. She was a tax auditor in the town in Volodymyr in Ukraine. Everybody respected her, everybody trusted her. And after finishing her full-time job, she would go work on the fields, not small gardens, but the large farming fields, growing vegetables for entire families so they can survive. She worked constantly, she provided, she built. When she was two, her family had to move from Poland to Ukraine when the border was changing, shifting after the war. They had to rebuild from nothing in a new place. She was officially designated as a child of the war, those who were born during World War II, and later in life, she unexpectedly was part of another war between Ukraine right now. It felt very, very unfair. And she never let circumstances define her strength. I follow her path, like I'm working tax, right? More than I realized by working, and also I even look like her. One of my favorite memories is when my mom and my grandma and I went on a road trip to Croatia. We visited 7 countries along the trip. It was beautiful. And the whole trip, she was joking that she would rather work on the field than be on vacation with us. That was her personality. Yeah, she was really tough, very strong, practical, and grounded. And that's strength they live in me. Whenever life feels hard, I'll think of her. So today, I want to remind you, call your parents, call your grandparents, visit your relatives. None of us know how many more moments we have together. And I also want to thank you again, my community, my supporters, for supporting me through this. It's extremely important to me. That was very, very helpful. Thank you. I promise to give you back as much, even more this tax season. For new students considering my courses, I'm introducing weekly calls so you can ask live questions. You'll be surrounded by similar people as you are, and we can grow together for 8 weeks on those calls. You can ask me any questions and connect to other tax preparers. Because learning this skill isn't just about tax return, it's about building freedom. Freedom to work hard, freedom to grow, and freedom to be present when the life demands your heart. I decided to record this video in one of my favorite places in upstate New York. It feels like a fairy tale in winter, quiet, reflected, and it feels like a right place to talk about her. Thank you, Grandma, for your strength, for your example in life, and thank you, my community, for being with me, for walking this journey with me. I'm back. Let's make this tax season meaningful.